Alright, this video I'm going to be going over the Monte Carlo simulation program that I've created. So there's two methods. There's a start method here. So right here, this is going to be the top part of the program. This is where you're going to see it say or ask you how many points there should be, and then you're going to input a value into the text box, and and then you're going to click a button, and all three of those are in a H box, which is then set to the border pane top. Then here is the middle, right here, this area. So basically, I'm creating a pane right here that will go in the border pane in the center of it. I'm creating the rectangle that will fit the entire circle and all the points that will be added later into it. Then I have the circle. Its radius is 250. It's in the center of the rectangle, and I set the stroke or the outline of it to red, just so you can tell the difference between where that is and the square. And then I added those to the pane I just talked about, and then I set that pane to the center of the bigger pane. And then this right here is the action event method for when you click the button that's at the top here. So when you click that button, it takes how many points you wanted. Well, first it only retains the two nodes, the circle and square nodes, these two right here, and then removes all that, anything else. So that means that if you click the button multiple times, it will reset each time. So it'll take away the previous points from any other simulations you did. Then I set the count to 0. Then for however many points the user input, it will create a random X and Y coordinate, and then it will create a circle with those coordinates with the size. And then if that circle or that point is within the circle from here, then the point is set to the color red, and then the int value inside count is added to. Otherwise, if it is not inside of the circle, then it is set to blue and nothing is added. And then here we just add the point to the pane with the square and the circle. Then here, outside of this for loop, I find the value of pi by multiplying 4 times the inside count, or however many points are inside of it, by however many the user input, or however many points there actually are in total. And then for the bottom of the pane here, I created a label, and it just says the approximation of pi plus the value that I got here. And so that you can actually see it, I set the text color to white and made it size 20. So now onto actually viewing it. I'm going to run the code here, and you can see it asks how many points should there be, and then there's this text box, and then there's the button. So I'll say 100, and you'll see there's 100 points. That's the approximation of pi. Let's add another 0. More points, the approximation, and then more, and then more. And that's about it.